Before starting, put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything. And slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now listen and learn English as exploring our world. Have you ever felt that strange sensation, like you've already been somewhere, even though you know you haven't? It's called déjà-vu, French for already seen. It stops you in your tracks, making you question your own mind. Most people experience it at least once, but no one really knows why. Is it just a mental glitch, or a glimpse into something deeper and more mysterious? What causes déjà vu? Is it just a brain glitch or something deeper? Science says it's likely a memory misfire, a harmless bug in our mental software. A tiny delay in processing can make the present feel like the past. But what if the glitch isn't in our brains, but in reality itself? Some wonder if déjà vu is a glimpse into a parallel universe. Déjà vu is a fascinating conflict between what we feel and what we know. It's a sudden wave of familiarity, as if you're reliving a moment, even though you know it's impossible. This clash between gut feeling and logic is what makes déjà vu so mysterious and memorable. For a brief moment, your mind is split, caught between reality and the illusion of having already seen it all. Déjà vu is a common human experience, reported by up to 80% of people worldwide. It's most frequent in young adults, especially those who travel or remember dreams vividly. New environments and vivid dreams seem to trigger it more often. Scientists link déjà vu to the brain's temporal lobes, making it a fascinating universal mystery. Déjà vu isn't just a mental glitch, it's an emotional experience, a strange mix of curiosity, wonder, and sometimes unease. It's a brief, personal mystery that makes you question your senses and reality itself. The moment lingers, leaving us with a sense of significance and a lasting impression, reminding us how mysterious our minds truly are. Déjà vu isn't mystical. Neuroscientists say it's a filing error in our brain's memory system. Imagine your brain as a librarian sorting new experiences. Sometimes a glitch sends new information straight to long-term memory, making it feel oddly familiar. This creates a strange conflict. Your mind senses familiarity, but knows it's new. Déjà vu is just a harmless, fascinating quirk of our incredible brains. Déjà vu may be caused by a tiny delay in how our brain processes sensory information. According to the dual processing theory, signals from our senses usually arrive together. But if one lags by just milliseconds, the brain experiences the same moment twice. This creates a vivid feeling that the present is repeating, a neural double-take that tricks us into thinking we've lived this moment before. The temporal lobes, located behind your temples, are key to memory and emotion. Scientists have found that déjà vu is linked to brief bursts of activity here, especially in the rhinal cortex, which judges familiarity. This fleeting neural glitch creates the strange sensation of déjà vu, not from memory, but from a quick, harmless spark in your brain's circuitry, a fascinating glimpse into the mind's inner workings. Scientific explanations for déjà vu are compelling, but often feel incomplete. The sensation is so vivid, it seems more than a brain glitch. What if déjà vu is a glimpse into a reality far more complex than we imagine? Some believe it's a crack in the wall of our reality, hinting at a larger, unseen structure. Maybe for a moment we align with another version of ourselves, experiencing a memory from a parallel universe. The multiverse theory suggests our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic ocean with countless parallel worlds, each with its own reality and version of you. Every choice could create a new universe, branching into infinite possibilities. Some believe déjà vu might be a brief overlap, your mind tuning into another you in another world. If we accept the possibility of a multiverse and the idea of crosstalk between realities, then déjà vu can be reimagined in a fascinating new light. In this model, the feeling of familiarity is no longer an illusion. It's a genuine echo of an experience. When you walk into a room and feel like you've been there before, it might be because another version of you, in a very similar parallel universe, has indeed been in that exact room. Your brain, for a fleeting moment, picks up on the memory trace from your alternate self. The moment feels familiar because, to a part of your extended consciousness, it is. The experience is a brief, accidental synchronization between two timelines. This theory could explain some of the most peculiar aspects of déjà vu. For instance, it accounts for the strong sense of detail and the feeling of knowing what will happen next. If you are briefly overlapping with a you who is a few seconds ahead in their experience of the same event, you might momentarily remember what they are about to see or hear. This also explains why the feeling is so fleeting and why you can't act on it. The connection is unstable, lasting only for a moment before the two realities diverge again, leaving you with only the strange, lingering echo of a memory that doesn't belong to you. Imagine two radio stations broadcasting on very similar frequencies. Most of the time you can only hear one station clearly, but occasionally, due to atmospheric conditions, you might get a moment of interference where a snippet from the other station bleeds through. Déjà vu could be the cognitive equivalent of this phenomenon. Our universe is our home station, but for a split second we pick up a signal from a parallel one. This glitch is not a malfunction of your brain, but a feature of the multiverse itself, a rare instance where the veil between worlds becomes momentarily thin, allowing a flicker of information to pass through. Of course, this is all highly speculative. There is currently no way to scientifically prove or disprove that déjà vu is a glimpse into a parallel universe. It remains a philosophical and imaginative exercise, a way of exploring the boundaries of what we think is possible. But it offers a compelling alternative to purely neurological explanations, one that honors the profound and mysterious nature of the experience. It suggests that when you feel that uncanny sense of already seen, you might not be remembering your past, but briefly connecting with the present of another you, in another world, just a heartbeat away. In the quantum realm, reality gets weird. Entanglement links particles across vast distances. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Some wonder, could our minds be entangled too, connected across the multiverse? Déjà vu might be a fleeting signal from another you, an echo from a parallel reality. It's a breathtaking idea, our consciousness linked across worlds at the heart of quantum mystery. The idea that our minds could be entangled across universes hinges on another profound and controversial theory, that consciousness itself is a quantum phenomenon. For decades, most scientists have viewed consciousness as an emergent property of classical biological processes in the brain, the result of billions of neurons firing in complex patterns. However, some thinkers like physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff have proposed that this classical view is incomplete. They argue that the mystery of consciousness, with its subjective qualities and sense of unity, can only be explained by quantum processes occurring deep within the brain's neurons, in tiny protein structures called microtubules. According to this quantum consciousness theory, our brains are not just classical computers but also quantum computers. They can process information in ways that go beyond simple on-off signals, tapping into the strange logic of the quantum world, such as superposition, existing in multiple states at once. If consciousness is indeed rooted in these quantum processes, it might not be strictly localized to our physical brain. Quantum effects are famously non-local. This opens the door to the possibility that our conscious experience is not entirely contained within our skulls, but is connected to a wider, universal field of information, potentially extending across different dimensions or realities of the multiverse. In this framework, déjà vu could be interpreted as a natural, if rare, feature of a quantum mind. It would be a moment when the quantum state of your brain briefly and accidentally resonates with the quantum state of a brain belonging to an alternate you. This resonance would be a form of information transfer, a brief alignment of quantum wave functions across the multiverse. You wouldn't be seeing through their eyes, but your brain's quantum state would momentarily mirror theirs, producing an identical conscious feeling, the powerful, unshakable sense of familiarity. It is a glitch, but it's a glitch in the quantum software of the mind, not the classical hardware of the brain. Ultimately, this connects the most intimate and personal of experiences, the feeling of déjà vu, with the grandest and most fundamental questions about the nature of reality. It suggests that the answers to the mysteries of the mind might not be found just by looking at neurons under a microscope, but also by looking at the quantum fabric of the cosmos. Is our consciousness a quantum event? Are we entangled with our parallel selves? We are a very long way from having scientific proof, but it's a powerful and thought-provoking idea that suggests when you feel that strange echo of a moment, you might be feeling the very quantum heartbeat of the multiverse itself. Before we get lost in cosmic theories, let's consider a more grounded explanation for déjà vu, our dreams. This theory suggests déjà vu is the recognition of a place or moment first encountered in a forgotten dream. When real life mirrors a dream, your brain triggers a powerful sense of familiarity, even if you can't recall the dream itself. So perhaps déjà vu is not a cosmic echo, but a whisper from the hidden depths of our own dreaming minds. Our memories are fragile, not perfect recordings, but reconstructions, rebuilt each time we recall them. This makes them prone to errors, distortions, and even false memories. Déjà vu may be a memory error, your brain blending fragments of past and present, creating a powerful illusion of reliving a moment you never actually lived. This mystery is why déjà vu continues to fascinate us, hinting at the extraordinary workings of our minds. Across cultures and centuries, déjà vu has been seen as more than a brain quirk. It's been a message from past lives, a sign from the gods, or a crack in reality itself. In reincarnation traditions, it's a memory surfacing from a previous existence, hinting at a soul's long journey. Others see it as a divine nudge, a moment of fate, a warning, or a glimpse of the spiritual realm. The Toltecs viewed déjà vu as a wake-up call, a reminder that reality is subjective and that we can snap into greater awareness, even if just for a moment. Despite the differences, every tradition agrees, déjà vu feels meaningful, demanding explanation beyond mere coincidence. It's a universal reminder that our experience of time and reality may be far deeper than we realize. In modern times, art and storytelling have become our new mythology, and déjà vu is a favorite tool for exploring fate and reality. The Matrix made déjà vu iconic, a literal glitch in a simulated world, a sign that reality itself is unstable. This idea resonates deeply, shaping how we talk about déjà vu in everyday life. In literature and film, déjà vu often signals destiny or deep connection, echoing ancient ideas of soulmates and past lives. These stories let us play with the boundaries of reality, using déjà vu to imagine other worlds and hidden connections. Even as science advances, the mystery and allure of déjà vu in our stories endures. We stand between two worlds: neuroscience, which sees déjà vu as a harmless brain glitch, memory errors, neural misfires, a fleeting illusion, and metaphysics, which imagines déjà vu as a signal from the cosmos, a glimpse into parallel universes, a true echo from another you. Science has data brain scans, lab experiments, clear links to neural activity. The multiverse theory is pure speculation, but it matches the wonder we feel in the moment. The debate persists because science explains the mechanics, but not the meaning. Sometimes the feeling itself demands a grander story. Whether you see déjà vu as a brain glitch or a cosmic signal, it forces us to question reality. If the multiverse is real, maybe déjà vu is a fleeting overlap, a glimpse of another life, another choice. Even as a brain glitch, it's a testament to the mind's power to create profound illusions. The experience inspires art, philosophy, and wonder, regardless of its source. Déjà vu is a reminder not to take reality for granted. We may never have a final answer, but the mystery keeps us curious. Sometimes the questions matter more than the answers. We've explored the brain, the cosmos, and the heart of déjà vu's mystery. Is it a neural hiccup or a clue to something greater? The answer may always elude us. The real value of déjà vu is in its power to make us wonder, to stretch our minds beyond the obvious. Neuroscience and metaphysics offer different languages for the same feeling. Neither cancels the other. When déjà vu strikes, let it spark curiosity and remind you that reality is never as solid as it seems. Embrace the mystery, keep asking questions, and enjoy the adventure of not knowing. Sometimes the journey is the answer.